If your Mercedes didn't come with the start button, you can definitely get a replacement for it. Like with my used 2015 C300, it was missing the start button when I bought it, but I was able to find the exact replacement for the factory part for about $30. At first I thought I didn't need it, but it's actually been really nice to be able to start the car without the Mercedes key fob. And the stainless steel finish looks really nice on the C300 dashboard. But this will work in other Mercedes models as well. I'll show you how to figure that out at the end of the video. The stud on the bottom is shaped just like the end of the key, and it's really just all plastic, which makes the $30 price seem a bit high. But installing the keyless go button is easy. Just insert it into the key slot. To start the engine, push the brake pedal in and then press the keyless go button. To shut off the engine, just press the button again. If you need or want to use your key again, just pop out the button, insert your key, and turn to crank the engine. When I first bought my C300, I thought I'd go without the button, but now that I find that it's really easy to get in the car without having to get the keys out of my pocket. To use the start button, you have to have the keyless go option built into your car. And this is how to tell if your Mercedes has keyless go. If you reach into your outside door handle and the door unlocks while the key fob is within a few inches, then you have keyless go. Or you can enter your VIN number at one of these websites. Look for options 889 or 893 for keyless go and keyless start. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and be sure to watch some of my other tutorials on my channel.